Good.
Okay.
So demo for Chris on kind of a workflow inflate. We have a Google Sheet specifically for an Atlanta event, 10:07, with some contacts based on some of the fields and additional fields we need to track this. So we are going to kick off kind of our test workflow. And this will look at any sheet that is kind of tagged CCC event, and you can see it updating in real time. It will track the status and it will populate drafts into the inbox for that user as you do today. So I can go then to my inbox once this is done, and I can see all of these new drafts are selected. So there were two events that did it for. One was Atlanta, one was Savannah. It picked up both. And I'm going to mock that this one particular user was actually sent. And this is kind of the template we're using, CCC, bringing you the event for Savannah. I'm going to go ahead and send that. Then I will run our other job that would trigger daily as well. And this should pick up that I have sent that draft to myself. Did send that. So, and this is kind of a recap of what it's done today. And you can see that in the Savannah, that to my personal email, that was sent. So I am also going to modify this to mock that it was sent a week ago. And it should pick up now a follow-up draft. And all of these message templates are configured in Google Drive. This can connect to your environment. They're just kind of labeled specific way and pretty easy to configure. So let's see. Oh, I didn't save it, I don't believe. But let's see. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, it did create a second follow-up email for that user because I mocked that the send was last week, so I could send that, and I can actually go ahead and reply to that. I can run this one more time. And then this should pick up that the potential client has emailed, shown interest, and should show what they have sent. So yeah, that did change to replied in time, and that's about where that ends. And you have gotten a reply in kind of the daily overview email saying, thanks, this looks great. Need to work on a bit of formatting here, but you can see who's replied, all updated daily in real time. And yeah, that's kind of the process we have now going. And that is, again, sheets with user data all configured in Google Sheets. And then there is a Drive document where, yeah, I have just a very simple template that's editable. Again, kind of tag CCC event with the date, and this matches up to the follow-up that was sent, and then we also have the one that would just originally get sent out.
Yeah, and Chris, if you watch this, in terms of formatting, like how you want these emails to look, this is just a placeholder for us right now. You can make these look, and we can totally change the style to match your brand.
Good.
But all right, I'm gonna stop the recording there, Paul,
Yeah,
unless you
cool.
got something else.
No, I think that's it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna send